The threat of Ebola has at least one urgent care center in Metro Detroit taking precautions tonight to protect its workers and other patients. 7 Action News reporter Jane Park tells us about a sign posted right on the front door.
If you are here and have a fever or flu-like symptoms and have had recent international travel or travel to Dallas, please proceed to the nearest emergency room for appropriate care. This sign is the latest precaution urgent care centers are taking to protect people from Ebola. Walk-in urgent care centers are supposed to be just that. Walk in and you'll be seen, right? Well, this new sign posted outside Rochester Urgent Care says, wait a minute, if you're sick with flu-like symptoms and you've traveled, you could have been exposed to Ebola, and you should go to an ER, not here.
I would be worried if I thought that somebody was here that had been exposed.
Why the extra precaution? The clinic manager says the center isn't equipped to handle potential Ebola cases and says it's a way to ensure other patients are protected. But across town at Doc Now Urgent Care, doctors there say there's no need to panic or turn patients away just because they have certain symptoms.
Were they actually even exposed? Were they even in contact? If they weren't in contact with anyone with Ebola, then most likely, the symptoms are a little bit low.
In fact, Dr. Ashima Gupta says a simple phone consultation can determine whether someone was exposed to the deadly virus, whether they've recently traveled from areas with known Ebola cases. Her center is also following guidelines from the Urgent Care Association of America, wearing gowns, face masks, protective eyewear, and gloves when treating possibly infected patients. The association then recommends patients at high risk be isolated and transferred to the nearest hospital.
Protection is number one key.
But Rochester Urgent Care, part of the Great Lakes Urgent Care Group, maintains the best way to protect their workers and clinic patients is to take zero risks and refer anyone who might have been exposed elsewhere. In Rochester Hills, Jane Park, 7 Action News.